Big news coming in. TMC Rajya Sabha MP Sukhendu Shekhar Ray moves the Kolkata High Court, challenging the Kolkata police summons. Kolkata police has served 2 summons to the TMC MP. He has been summoned for allegedly spreading fake information, fake news regarding the police investigation into the doctor rape and murder case on his social media handle last night.
If a student, if she is not safe in her alma mater or workplace, or if a child is not safe at home, then where should we go? Are we living in jungle? That is the moot question now. There are several.
That's a big question coming from you. You are a Trinamool Congress MP. Your party is in power. You are saying it's a jungle raj.
Forget about whether I am an MP or not. I am a human being. That is my first and last introduction.
Are you questioning your party then?
I am questioning whosoever is involved in this type of heinous crime. All of them must be brought to book and all of them must be hanged.
Principal of this college, he is under the scanner and students are protesting. Why has he been reinstated? He has been made the principal of another college.
Question of reinstatement does not arise. He would have been arrested on the very first day. Because, first of all,
so why has he not been arrested?
Why has he not been arrested? That is the moot question. Because he is the administrative head of the RG Corps.
Are you asking for his arrest
Yes,
then? It is your government.
Yes, of course.
What do you say does matter then?
Irrespective of government, it is the duty incumbent of the authorities concerned that whosoever is the administrative head, he must be booked fast.
All right, so we are looking at Sukhendu, who's a TMC MP, who's received a police summons, apparently because he is trying to spread false and fake news. Remember, he was one of those MPs within the TMC itself, a party leader, who asked why the family was given wrong information. Initially, family claimed that someone from the hospital conveyed to them that their daughter had committed suicide. So the TMC MP has asked very pointed questions as to why false information was given to the family and who monitored that. Now, because he has raised those questions on his social media platform, you have the Kolkata police who summoned him. Police claim this is done in a bid to curb misinformation, while at a time there's already tense situations on the ground. Indrajit joining us live for more on that. Indrajit, TMC MP who's certain and stern on his words, and now with the Kolkata police summons, he goes on to say this is jungle raj under Mamta.
Well, Sukhendu Shekhar Ray is a veteran Trinamool Congress MP, and the rift within the Trinamool Congress, as we have been reporting, is slowly emerging out in the open, because we've just shown his interview that he gave to us a few days back. He was one of the early members of the Trinamool Congress who came out on the street to protest. He held a dharna, satyagraha, right outside his house, demanding justice for the victim. Now, he has been sent 2 summons yesterday by the Kolkata police for his tweet, in which he had mentioned apparently that there was a delay in deploying sniffer dogs at the crime scene. The Kolkata police, of course, refutes that charge, and 2 summons have been sent to him for sharing misleading information, is what we are told by the Kolkata police sources. Sukhendu Shekhar Ray, he's also a lawyer by profession. He has moved the Calcutta High Court, seeking to quash the Kolkata police summon to him. Remember, he's a veteran MP, 75-year-old. He's also ailing. Apparently, he was in the hospital at AIIMS in New Delhi. He's undergoing treatment, we are told. So he did not, visit the Kolkata police headquarters yesterday. Instead, he has moved the Calcutta High Court, seeking quashing of the summons and also seeking restraining orders from the Calcutta High Court from any coercive action, which means that there is a possibility that he might be arrested. He fears that. So he has moved the Calcutta High Court. The matter has been mentioned before a single judge bench, and the matter is likely to be heard tomorrow at the Kolkata High Court. But unprecedented, no doubt, that a Trinamool Congress MP, MP of the ruling party here in West Bengal, has to move the Calcutta High Court, seeking restraining orders, because he fears his arrest may be imminent by none other than the Kolkata police, which of course reports to his own party's chairperson leader, Mamta Banerjee.
All right, thanks very much, Indrajit, for joining us on that. A lot of heat that Mamta Banerjee currently is facing, not just by civilians and people on the ground, public at large, we're also looking at heat mounting on her from her own party leaders. No end to politics over the Kolkata rape and murder case. The TMC has alleged that there's sinister toolkit activated by the BJP in the Bengal case, against her and her party. TMC's Saket Gokhale has said that BJP has hijacked the protests over the rape and murder of trainee doctor at Kolkata's RG Kar Medical Hospital. Gokhale claims that BJP's IT cell was running an organized campaign calling for Mamta's resignation as the chief minister. In fact, amid this, the TMC versus the Congress is only the face-off between the two parties, which are in fact allies as part of the India bloc, is now growing on this case. TMC's Kunal Ghosh attacked Rahul Gandhi for slamming Mamta Banerjee over the gruesome rape, citing corruption charges against Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Ghosh asked if Rahul Gandhi will say anything on that. He slammed Rahul for quickly firing salvos on Mamta and her government. TMC leader's comments came after Rahul Gandhi claimed that there was an attempt to save the accused instead of providing justice to the victim in a speedy manner.
That's a very, very inspiring, encouraging, reassuring happening. The Honorable Supreme Court has taken so much cognizance of this issue. Bengal is not a place safe for women. Bengal has failed its women, not Bengal society. The present government of Bengal has failed the women folk. They are scared. They are scared of gundas. This has been created by a government which is insensitive to this issue.
देखिए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बिल्कुल ठीक चिंता करी है, क्योंकि जिस प्रकार से वहां पर लाठियां बरसाई जा रही हैं और जिस प्रकार से टीएमसी के कार्यकर्ताओं को भेजकर जो क्राइम सीन था उसको खराब किया गया, दिखता है कि किस प्रकार वहां की सरकार कुछ इस प्रकार के लोगों को बचाना चाहती है जिनमें उस सरकार की रुचि है और जो सरकार के संरक्षण में रहते हैं। और उनके पीड़ित का बड़ा स्पष्ट कहना है कि इसके अंदर उस इंस्टीट्यूशन के, उस हॉस्पिटल के और भी लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं।
ऐसे में अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट की 3 जजों की बेंच इस अपराध पर संज्ञान लेकर के सुनवाई चालू करती है, तो हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि वो सुनवाई का दायरा सिर्फ इस अपराध तक सीमित नहीं रहेगा, वो कुछ ऐसे रास्तों पे जाएगा, ऐसे उपाय लाएगा कि जो 4.5 लाख अपराध साल में हो रहे हैं महिलाओं के खिलाफ, उन सबके रोकथाम के लिए बुनियाद मजबूत हो।